Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Fidelity Cash Management Account, a comprehensive tool designed to help you manage your finances effectively. This guide will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to get the most out of your account. First, let's start with the basics. A Fidelity Cash Management Account is a type of brokerage account that allows you to manage your cash and investments in one place. It's a low-cost, low-maintenance way to earn a competitive interest rate on your idle cash while still having access to your money when you need it. To get started, you'll need to open a Fidelity Cash Management account, which can be done online or through the Fidelity mobile app. Once your account is open, you can fund it by transferring money from your existing bank account or by depositing a check. One of the key benefits of a Fidelity Cash Management account is its ability to earn a competitive interest rate on your cash. This means you can earn money on your idle cash, which can help you grow your wealth over time. Additionally, Fidelity Cash Management accounts often come with debit cards, checks, and online bill pay, making it easy to access your money when you need it. Another important feature of a Fidelity Cash Management account is its investment capabilities. You can use your account to invest in a wide range of assets, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. This allows you to grow your wealth over time while still having access to your cash when you need it. To make the most of your Fidelity Cash Management account, it's essential to understand the concept of cash sweep. A cash sweep is a feature that automatically moves your excess cash into a higher yielding investment, such as a money market fund. This can help you earn a higher interest rate on your cash while still maintaining access to your money. In terms of best practices, it's essential to keep your Fidelity Cash Management account separate from your everyday spending account. This will help you avoid accidentally overdrawing your account and will also help you keep your long-term savings separate from your short-term expenses. Finally, it's crucial to monitor your account regularly to ensure it's working effectively for you. You can do this by tracking your interest earnings, monitoring your investment portfolio, and adjusting your account settings as needed. In conclusion, a Fidelity Cash Management account is a powerful tool for managing your finances. By understanding the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices outlined in this guide, you can get the most out of your account and achieve your long-term financial goals. Remember to keep your account separate from your everyday spending. Monitor it regularly, and take advantage of features like cash sweep to earn a competitive interest rate on your cash.